Hey warrior, silent fighter, the one who walks into the world with a steady smile, yet every night steps into battles no one ever sees, no swords, no blood, only thoughts, only the voices inside your head that attack without rest. The most dangerous enemy was never out there. It lives inside you, and it whispers daily, you're not enough, you'll fail, you always lose. But here's the truth, very few dare to face, you don't lose because life is too harsh. You lose because your mind is untrained. Over 2,000 years ago, in the middle of war, betrayal and power, Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." That wasn't comfort, it was a declaration of war. Today I'm giving you 8 Stoic laws, ancient, brutal, and liberating, to cut negativity at the root so you don't just survive. You rise like a warrior. If you're ready to step into the real battlefield, the one inside yourself, we begin now. Law 1. You are not your thoughts. Hey warrior, here is the first blade you must pick up. You are not your thoughts. Every day, thousands of thoughts pass through your mind. Some weak, some fearful, some cruel toward yourself. If all of them were you, you'd change identity thousands of times a day. But that's not the truth. You are the one observing those thoughts. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not external things." A negative thought is just a cloud. You are the sky. Don't say I am a failure. Say I am having a thought about failure. By changing the label, you reclaim command. A warrior doesn't destroy thoughts with anger. A warrior observes, separates, and lets them pass. Law 2. Never fight when you're depleted. Many warriors lose not because they lack strength, but because they enter the battlefield on an empty tank. You call it mental instability. The Stoics call it what it is: exhaustion. When you're sleep-deprived, underfed, overstimulated, every thought becomes an enemy. One message can break you. One comment can make you explode. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Do not let your mind be troubled by a weary body." A warrior does not argue when hungry, does not make decisions when tired, does not trust thoughts when drained. For fixing your mindset, recharge your nervous system, sleep, breathe, nourish, step away from noise. Sometimes what you need is not motivation, but disciplined rest. Law 3. Never trust your first emotional reaction. Hey warrior, the most dangerous strike doesn't come from the enemy. It comes from your first emotional impulse. Anger flares, jealousy spikes, fear tightens your chest. And if you act in that moment, the battle is already lost. Your first emotion is not truth. It's just your primal alarm system. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "We are hurt not by events, but by our opinion of them." A warrior doesn't shut emotions down. A warrior delays reaction. Just one small pause between trigger and response gives you back full control. One deep breath. One internal command. Not yet. That pause is where real power is born. Law 4. The most dangerous enemy is the story in your mind. Hey warrior, you don't fall because of events. You fall because of the story you attach to them. A silence becomes, "They look down on me." A failure becomes, "I'm worthless." A mistake becomes, "I'll never rise again." The event is small. The story inside your mind is what destroys you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are harmed, it is because you allowed your judgment to make it." A warrior does not fight the world first. A warrior tears apart the false narrative inside his own mind. When pain comes, don't ask, why me? Ask, what meaning am I giving this? A change of the story, and you change the fate that follows. Law 5, the environment you live in will nurture you or poison you. Hey warrior, you are not weak because you lack strength. You are weak because you've stayed too long in an environment that is rotting your spirit. Daily complaints, conversations soaked in fear, screens that constantly plant comparison, jealousy, and quiet despair. You breathe them in every single day without noticing, then wonder why your mind keeps getting darker. Marcus Aurelius once reminded, your soul takes the shape of the thoughts you hold most often. A warrior chooses the battlefield he stands on. The weak allow the crowd to choose for them. Clean your room, filter your people, purify what you consume every day, change your environment, and you change your destiny. Law 6, small daily disciplines. Crush great darkness. Hey warrior, darkness doesn't strike with one big blow. It arrives through tiny acts of surrender repeated every day. You don't fall because of tragedy. You fall because you've said maybe tomorrow too many times. One morning you don't get up on time. One workout skipped. One more night hiding inside your phone instead of facing yourself. Little by little, the darkness grows and you never hear its footsteps. Marcus Aurelius wrote, nothing is stronger than a habit repeated daily. A warrior doesn't wait for motivation. A warrior creates rhythm, one movement every morning, one page every night, one small promise each day, and you keep it. Small discipline is a thin blade that never breaks. Law 7, gratitude is the purest weapon against darkness. Hey warrior, when your mind is drowning in bitterness, you don't need more strength, you need an anchor to keep you from sinking. Negativity survives only in forgetfulness, forgetting that you're still breathing, forgetting that you're still alive, forgetting that you've already survived, which is far worse than today. Marcus Aurelius wrote, begin each day by remembering the blessings you possess. Gratitude doesn't make you weak, it makes you steady. One breath still yours, one meal still warm, one person still by your side. With just these three, darkness loses its ground. A grateful warrior is a warrior who cannot be defeated from within. Law 8, your thoughts are suggestions, not commands. Hey warrior, not every thought that appears in your mind deserves to be obeyed. Some thoughts come from truth, others come from fear. If you obey them all, you're no longer a warrior, you're a puppet of your own mind. Marcus Aurelius wrote, if you are distressed by anything external, it is not the thing itself that troubles you, but your judgment about it. A negative thought appearing does not mean it is true. A worry rising does not mean you must submit. A warrior does not silence thoughts. A warrior chooses which ones are allowed to stay. You are not your thoughts. You are the one who commands them. Outro. Awaken the warrior. Hey warrior, the greatest battle is never out there, it's inside you. These 8 Stoic laws aren't meant to help you escape the darkness, but to help you stand tall and face it. As Marcus Aurelius reminded us, your strength is found in your response. From today on, don't pray for an easy life. Choose a steady mind. When the darkness returns, remember this, you are not a victim. You are the warrior sharpening the blade of your inner strength every single day.